Jiangmen CNCT Hardware Electric Appliances Company Limited, founded in year 2014. Proud to be one of the leading precision sheet metal fabrication manufacturing companies in China. Dedicated to the highest quality production, computerized manufacturing equipment for every production process, including CNC punching, laser cutting and machining, robotic forming, stamping and welding, automated powder coating and finishing, assembly and integration. Beyond production, we also offer logistics, inventory management, and shipping services, providing clients with a true end-to-end manufacturing solution. ISO 9001 certified CNCT utilizes ongoing employee training, automation, continuous process improvement, and innovation to maximize the quality, reliability, and cost-effectiveness of your components. Parts are carefully examined throughout the production process at multiple quality control checkpoints, and all shipments are thoroughly tested and inspected before they are released to your facility. As a result, our team has been able to consistently maintain a very low external part reject rate that has enabled many of our customers to eliminate the costly and time for part inspection. We realize that any delay to a just-in-time schedule is a critical delay. Our system affords flexible scheduling options and instant real-time order status to ensure that your production schedules are met. Prototypes can be built in as little as 3 days. We offer solutions for contract and turnkey manufacturing. We bring your concept into mass production with fast lead time and no pitfalls.